Hello, good afternoon. I'm Marian. I'm covering Just the Way You Are. Payphone, Always Been a Baby, and um, In the End. Enjoy watching and please like it. Thank you. When I see your face, there's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you were needed to me. You say it's too late to make it, but it's too late to try. And in no time, was it all over? Bridges been done. I've wasted my night. You turn up the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we call up. But even the sun sets in paradise. Do-do-do-dum, do-do-do-do-do-dum, do-do-do-dum, do-do-do-do-do-dum. I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I put my trust in you. But just far as I can go, and for all this, there's only one thing you should know. Oh, you know, I never asked you to change. If purpose what you're searching for, then just stay the same. So don't even bother asking if you look okay. You know I say, now I'm at a payphone.